the head teachers were telling me, like a school called Ndûmîrîrî Primary, that people are having weddings, they are going for photo shooting in our primary schools. And for me, that is very important. And for me, the pinnacle of leadership is not about the cars we drive, it is about the decisions we make to impact society now and in the future. And there is no other better route than education. Are also based on our history, especially based on the fact that the majority of us had a lot of hardships going to school. Then in my second term, we decided to do something about it. And therefore, out of the 15,000 learners, we started a program called Kirima Somobora. And Kirima Somobora takes care of the school fees. The only fee the parent pays in any Kirima day school is only 1,000 per term. That's what I. The other mandates, instead of giving bursaries, we have been able to remake it into a new model, where instead of giving bursaries, they also eat the party of a lunchtime. All these things are not vanity. It is just to make education the primary decision-making lever that we have in Kirima. And we also capacitate our schools in terms of books, revision books, especially these schools, and we target them because majority of the people in these schools would have been in other schools, but they are there because of circumstance, not choice. Lastly, around a few years ago, I went to London, and then I went to Cape Town, I think 2 or so years ago. As I was walking in Cape Town, I saw a very beautiful institution. Actually, it was almost the same colors as this hotel. And then I came closer. I went closer to the gate, only to learn that it was a municipal school, Ahagûrwo school in Cape Town, Cambe. I took photos. When I came back home, I called our team in the office, and I told them, we have to do something about our schools. Not at the level that we have seen in Kenya, but even London and South Africa. And we started landscaping and more holistic making of our schools. We have been able to cover landscape around 30 schools. We are having another 25 this holiday. And even this holiday again, through CDA of all these things, we are also having another 65 projects ongoing in Kirima, either in security or in education. And you know, sometimes we cherry pick. I would request, and I'm happy majority of the MPs colleagues have been to Kirima. The photos you see on social media are real. Last time I was meeting, maybe those we share social media platforms. I went to Kirima on Monday last week. I was meeting the teams that will be implementing the projects we are doing in December. The head teachers were telling me, like a school called Ndûmîrîrî Primary, that people are having weddings, they are going for photo shooting in our primary schools. And for me, that is very important. And for me, the pinnacle of leadership is not about the cars we drive, it is about the decisions we make to impact society now and in the future. And there is no other better route than education. And that is why it is very primary in the decisions that we make. Otherwise, even to all my colleagues, congratulations. I wish you all the best as you lead our economy, the business people, as you lead our policy, the leaders, and I wish all Kenyans and those who are here a Merry Christmas. Asanteni sana, may God bless you.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa. Before I release you, please, there are 3 awards that were left out. Kindly, with much respect, kindly I would like you to award Honorable Mike Jess, Machakos County. Tafadhali. There he is. Tafadhali. Then Honorable Eliud Maina, Wanja, Murang'a County. Tafadhali. At position 2. Then at position 1 we have Milka Chelagat, Toromo, Baringo County. At position 1, yes, tafadhali. Thank you, karibu sana. Asante, thank you mheshimiwa. Honorable Lisa Chelule, tafadhali karibu and receive this at position 2. Asante. Yes, women rep. Asante, karibu at position 2. Women rep. Asante, karibu. And then at position 1 we have Honorable Jinjeri Mona from the other council. At position 1. Thank you. She's stepped out. She shall be back again. Thank you, Sana Mheshimiwa. Asante. Thank you. We shall do it once she comes back. Asante. Thank you. DJ Kuma. Background. Asante. Thank you. Top MCA Wanje, Mheshimiwa tafadhali pia panda hapo. Thank you. MCA. Asante. Thank you. Top MCA Wanje, Mheshimiwa tafadhali pia panda hapo. Thank you. MCA. Asante, thank you. Asante. Oh, thank you. You'll be leta hiyo gift ya Mheshimiwa Wanje. Asante, kindly award for this for Kilifi County, tafadhali. Okay, thank you. MCA Ghana Award, position 1, tafadhali, thank you very much for being here. Asante, thank you very much. We want to go to the next juncture. I think we can have a very special picture for the positions 1. Morango and Jane and Ndîndî, the positions 1, tafadhali. I think that picture will be a very good picture. What you have a picture is good. You are the trendsetters.